How to enable or disable show movies in the cloud on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, and from here tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. And then tap on Movies. Now you want to go down to the bottom and tap on Show Movies in the Cloud. Tap on the toggle button to turn off this feature or switch it on. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to the previous settings page, or you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.